So we will write this is my cat. Next is dash is a big tree. The tree is far. So we will write that. That is a big tree. Next is dash book is interesting. The book is near. So we will write this book is interesting. Next is dash movie was funny. The movie is far. So we will write that movie was funny. Next is dash is my friend Sarah. Now friend is near, so we will write this is my friend Sarah.